Tacloban. Eto na. Alarcon. Opening 2. The point guard, Harold Alarcon. Liemet from UST Growling Tigers. Liemet attacking. Kick out sa gilid to Caballero. Guarded by Orsal. Caballero launching 3. Missed. Ball possession. WRLG. Shout out sa lahat ng mga Lodi natin nga nag-share sa itong live. Titing Manalili of Letran. Manalili, pull up. Yes, sir. Great start. 4-0 for WRLG Lungo. Salazar. There's a foul from Renwell Yambing. So, pasensya na mga idol. Medyo tinamaan tayo ng trangkaso. Salazar to Caballero. Second attempt. Missed. Save. Recovered by Labini. Cross-court pass to Liemet. Liemet attacking Orsal. Fade away. Missed. Labini. Off the glass. 2 points. 8 minutes and 45 seconds. Alarcon. Crossover move. Pull up J. Another one for the shooting guard. Harold Alarcon. Salazar. To Liemet. Liemet. Bang! Bumawi. Liemet. From UST Growling Tigers. 8 minutes and 12 seconds. Bam! Bumawi. Si Titing Manalili. 8 minutes and 3 seconds. Liemet. Steal by Orsal. Here comes Manalili. And turnover for WRLG. 7 minutes and 49 seconds. Shout out sa lahat ng mga viewers. Don't forget to share this live mga idol. This is the championship game dito sa Buntok, Southern Leyte. Missed. Here comes the shooting guard. Ali, too strong. Sayang yun. Shout out ni Ali Par from Luigi Bataliel and kay Ecto Vipers from Jun Chris Campos. Salazar attacking the D. Too short. So, Alarcon to Manalili. The drive. 2 points. Great start for WRLG. 6 points lead. Remaining time 7 minutes. Another steal. Yambing. Nabitawan. Same ball possession. Shoutout ni Titing Manalili. Pride of Bourbon from John Vincent. And kay DJ Ramon Cuadra. Another 3 points from Ariar. Liemet. Screen by Labini. Another turnover mga idol. Manalili. Wide open 3. Missed. Here comes Caballero. Caballero to Salazar. Pull up. Too short. So Yambing. Nice pass to Orsal. 2 points. Timeout. Team Khalifa. Back to the ball game mga idol. 11 points lead ang kalamangan ng WRLG against Team Khalifa. Okay, there's changes sa lineup ng Team Khalifa. Orgong is in with Dorado. Orgong. Okay, short. Here comes WRLG, Manalili.
Manalili.
To Ariar, tumira ng tres, Mintes, rebound by Dorado. Lavini, to Orgong. Brigole. Brigole, cross-court pass.
Drive pass.
And the middle, Solano. Solano. Sa gilid, Brigol. That's Lakaya rather. 5 minutes and 22 seconds. Alarcon. Tinirahan. Missed. Rebound by Brigole. Here comes Team Khalifa. Brigole. There's a foul from the shooting guard, Harold Alarcon.
Foul on number 8. 18.
Substitution for WRLG, Elmer Chavez.
Kaya attention, Pungkling, ang inyong ticket, Pungkling, tuwa sa gate ni Ate Bimbim. Kaya attention, Pungkling, Vince Morilla, ang inyong ticket, tuwa ni Ate Bimbim.
Okay, injury mga idol, si Ursal. Na-injured si Ursal, so ito. Sub by Ed Chavez. Isang malaking kawalan pag hindi makabalik si Ursal. Ang laki ng tulong ni Ursal sa team WRLG with his offensive rebounds. Napakaraming offensive rebounds ni Ursal. 5 minutes and 12 seconds. Solano to Brigole. Brigole to Lakaya. Brigole for 3. Too strong. Ang ganda ng fast break. Manalili. 4 minutes and 54 seconds. Lakaya. To Brigole. Back to Lakaya. Sa gitna. Solano. 2 points. Shout out Francis Dave Rosales from Hilongos Leyte Bowlers. Manalili to Chavez 4-3. And there's a foul.
Foul number 17.
That's a pushing foul from Elmer Chavez. Or rather Ariar, number 17 of WRLG. Orgong 4-3. Rebound by Yambing. Ariar to Chavez. Sa gilid, Alarcon, Manalili. Spin move. Na naman. Grabe talaga. Titing Manalili. Hiyawan ng tao sa mga pasa ni Manalili. Orgong. Sa gitna. 2 points. Iba talaga yung karisma ni Titing Manalili mga idol. One of the highest paid karon sa Panalay nga si Titing Manalili. Sulit na sulit.
Manalili.
Ariar to Chavez in the middle. 2 points.
24 against 9.
Here comes Brigole. Brigole. Torgo. Lakaya. Lakaya. Sa gitna, Dorado. Another turnover for Team Khalifa. Shout out Idol Mindoro from Jocelyn Iscabillas. Three minutes and 4 seconds. Gabisan. Tumasok na, Ariar. Pull up. Yambing. The pride of Padre Burgos Southern Leyte, Renwell Yambing. Solid performance sa mga kalawan dito sa Buntok. Orgong for 3, missed. Rebound by Chavez. Grabe si Yambing mga idol from game 1. Up to now, sulit yung performance ni Renwil Yambing in his offensive rebounds, putback, at saka yung mga outside shooting threes ni Renwil Yambing. Napaka talagang fighter na fighter. Sulit. Ito, Chavez to Yambing. 2 minutes and 22 seconds. Screen. Yambing tumira ng 3. Nakuha ni Solano. The drive. 2 points. Shoutout Idol Lakawan Tacloban from Coach Warren Alan Cabaltera.
Warning head coach sa Team Khalifa.
Enriquez tumira ng 3. Mintes. Recovered by Yambing.
Yambing binayata.
Here comes Team Khalifa. Lakaya. And a turnover. Shoutout Idol Noya TV Mix Vlog from Palompon, Leyte. Shoutout Panalay ng Surigao, Justin Kage o kay Randolph Maluto. Shoutout also watching from Kalayugan, Tomas Opus, Janet Maunes. Thank you for sharing mga idol ha. Thank you for sharing. Nice pass. Chavez. 1 minute and 24 seconds. Shoutout Land Bank Sugut Branch from Goni Gabisan. Liemet Tobrigole for 3. Missed. Long pass intercepted by Mark Liemet. The pride of Libagon, Southern Leyte. Liemet attacking. There's a foul called from Renwil Yambing.
How many foul Yambing, sir?
1 minute and 1 seconds. Okay. Dave Owen Paulo pumasok na for Renwil Yambing. Shout out from Asturias, Cebu, Panugalon Ray. Okay, delaying the game.
Warning number 9 for the
Gabisan. Liemet missed. Offensive rebound. Robles from Hilungos to Lakaya to Robles. Intercepted by Gabisan. Here comes one of the point guards of WRLG, Steve Nash Enriquez. Nice screen. Gonzales. 2 points. Grabe mga idol.
30 segundos ang habiling sa first quarter.
Lakaya, back to Caballero for 3. Yes sir. Kobe Caballero, former Arellano Chefs. 20 seconds.
15.
Enriquez.
6 segundos.
9 seconds. Enriquez, nice pass! Sayang. 3 seconds. Caballero launches it. And that's the end of the first quarter game. So, makakahabol kaya ang Team Khalifa. Caballero missed. Nakuha pa rin ni Caballero. Second attempt, wala pa rin. Ball possession, WRLG. Shout out from Guam, US of A, Gualberto Iway Albopera Jr. Comes Enriquez. Enriquez. Okay, hindi na-anticipate ni Gonzales ang pasa. Shout out watching from Asturias, Cebu. From Paul. Shout out Andre Zamoras of Hilongos from Mark Jefferson Mular. Liemet still missed. Here comes Gabisan. 9 minutes and 13 seconds. Gabisan attacking Robles. That's Solano rather. Solano. Caballero.
Number.
Okay, akala ko Solano mga idol. That's Caballero rather. Caballero. Number 2 of Team Khalifa.
24, Paulo. First.
Medyo di kasi makita masyado yung mga name sa likod ng players mga idol. Liemet, strong move sa ilalim. Nakakuha ng foul. That's from number 9, Gabisan. Shoutout Idol Ting Walls from Panalugan. Ray. Shoutout also Junior Piligrino still watching live from John Me Aguilar. Shoutout Harold watching from Buena Vista from Bel Bermiso. And shoutout Rafi Tumagara ng Biringan from Wendell Estrelles.
Ikuwang siguro gasig sa ilang mga tito o tita. Okay, jumpers ready.
That's the pride of Libagon mga idol. Mark Liemet, pride of Libagon, Southern Leyte. 2 missed free throw. Mark Liemet. Alarcon. What a steal. Here comes Liemet mga idol. Number 14. Nakakuha ng foul and a basket. Mark Liemet
Number 6.
from UST Growling Tigers. 8 minutes and 41 seconds. Shout out sa atong idol all the way from Bohol, Vincent Caes.
Ready for the bonus row, Mark Liemet.
Shout out everyone, labi na sa taga Bohol.
Okay mga idol, ni biyahe ko diri mga idol just to witness. There is a game, there is a Buntok, Southern Leyte. Shout out watching from Bacolod, Ed Cañete. Thank you for sharing, idol. 8 minutes and 32 seconds. Enriquez for 3. Bang! 3 points.
31 against 17.
Caballero, babawi, Mentes. Rebound by Paulo. Enriquez.
Enriquez drive.
Intercepted. Recovered by Alarcon. Alarcon back to Enriquez. Fakes. Enriquez launches it in the middle. Missed. Hirap daw ko, no? Caballero. That's foul from Dave Owen Paulo of Hilongos. Pride of Hilongos. Ito, pinasok na Ting Malls. Number 5. Number 3 rather.
Second personal foul.
Shout out sa Tunog Boys sa Barangay Zaragoza, Matalom, watching from KSA Jeddah. Shout out coming from Angkol Norte, Nerfe rather.
Against 31.
Shout out Dol, basig magniwang na imo idol Mark Raven Hermoso. Shout out dia Lodi. 7 minutes and 47 seconds. Magniwang na gila to idol ni Mark Raven Hermoso, the pride of Cabintan, Ormoc City, Manalili, miss. Rebound by Caballero. Caballero to Liemet. Liemet intercepted. What a steal by Liemet. That's the third steal for Liemet. Missed. Rebound by Aryar. Shout out all watching from Victoria, Laguna. Alarcon. Di pumasok. Rebound by Caballero. Saved by Caballero. Nabitin doon. Manalili attacking the basket. 2 points. Titing Manalili. 6 minutes and 48 seconds. Okay, tapped. Here comes Manalili. And a foul from Mark Liemet. 6 minutes and 28 seconds.
Foul number 14.
Shoutout from Matalom Leyte, Francis Jude Enderio. Also shoutout Western Hilongos from Nante Aquino. Daghan gyud nagtan-aw karon mga idol, nagsuporta sa team WRLG diha sa Hilongos Leyte. Shoutout sa mga taga Hilongos noon. Og diha kay Konsehal Manuel Gabisan. Shoutout diha Cons. Shoutout Dol from San Roque Liluan, Arnito Lumigid. Og siya Oreo family from Hilongos Leyte. Shoutout. Also shoutout kay Kenneth G. Donchik ng Mandawi from Shimer Carl Tonyada.
Salazar.
Yemen. Spin move. Too strong. Another long pass to the shooting guard. 2 points. Grabe mga idol ha. Iba talaga yung tandem ng mga demigods ng basketball. Ang bilis makascore.
Estegnas Enriquez.
Enriquez na naman. Time out. Team Khalifa. Shout out from Hilongos. Support by WRLG. Katleya Era Butar. Shout out also kay Johan Ablea watching from New Zealand. Five minutes and 44 seconds.
Back to the ball game.
Okay, back to the ball game. Medyo lumubo na ang kalamangan ng WRLG against Team Khalifa. Shoutout Dol watching from RVDI Hilongos habang naka-duty from Sergeant Maka Jr.
Pinasa.
Dorado.
No good.
Rebound by Orsal.
Manalili.
Another alley-oop. Short yung alley-oop. Enriquez launches from 3. 5 minutes and 14 seconds. Orgong. Turnover na naman for Team Khalifa. Shoutout watching from Isabel Leyte. Nagsuporta kay Titing Manalili from Javen Lakdayeng Lapined. And shoutout from Claveria supporting Cadayo from Jandel Hista, the pride of Surigao. Bisaya Mix Vlog. Shoutout ya Lodi.
Manalili.
Intercepted by Orgong. Here comes Salazar. Salazar to Caballero. Caballero. 2 points.
21 against 37.
Shout out sa mga taga Libagon watching from Manila, from Julius Demeterio. Happy Fiesta, mahal namong buntok pit senyor from Rome Pizon.
Manalili. 19
Here comes Salazar mga idol. 2 points. Time out WRLG. Shout out from Ino Bacan. Jade 17 seconds.
WRLG.
Okay, Enriquez to Alarcon, back to Enriquez.
Enriquez to Alarcon.
Enriquez launches it. Wala.
Battle for rebound. Nakuha sa Team Khalifa.
Here comes Salazar, 4 minutes.
Salazar.
Salazar cutting the defense. 2 points.
25 against 37.
Cutting the lead to 12 points mga idol. WRLG leads as much as 18 points. Enriquez to Alarcon. Intercepted. Salazar, 2 points.
27-37.
An 8-0 run for Team Khalifa. Cross court pass. Manalili for 3. Short. Alarcon. Missed. Here comes Khalifa. Salazar
Hey, Caballero.
to Caballero.
Ang Salazar pass to Caballero.
Caballero for 3. Mentes, offensive rebound, Dorado. Okay, foul, Orsal. Shout out Idol from Sanggunian ng Bayan, from John Ray Bolakina.
First on Orsal.
Also shout out from Marinduque, Arjem Zonde. Shout out also Konsihal Louis of Kaibaan City.
Kami.
From Davin, shout out also mga idol kay Esperanza Buntok from Julie D. 2 free throws for Dorado.
Single digit na lang ang labaw.
Cutting the lead to single digit mga idol.
28
That's a 9-0 run. Make it 10-0 run for Team Khalifa. Humahabol ang Team Khalifa. Shout out Ray Lilis from Hilongos Leyte.
With 2 minutes and 50 seconds remaining.
Manalili, 2 minutes and 45. Manalili, another steal. Here comes Salazar. Salazar, intercepted by Yambing. Manalili attacking Dorado's defense on the glass. That's cheating. Manalili, Caballero babawi for 3. Mentes, rebound by Aryar. Ito si Yambing to Harold Alarcon. Alarcon on the glass. Grabe, 4-0 run. Grabe talaga mga idol ang demigods. Titing Alarcon combination, 4-0 agad.
Balik sa 12. 2 minutes remaining for the second quarter. Caballero, pinasa, Salazar. 5 to shoot. Step back, not go. Offensive rebound, tira sa 3, sobra. Offensive rebound pa rin. What a nice pass! Salazar Torgong, 31-41. 10-point lead, WRLG. 1 minute and 30 seconds remaining for the second quarter. Harold Alarcon, jump shot, not good. Orsal Dinamisio. 43-31.
1 minute and 6 seconds.
Salazar behind the back pass, Dorado off the window.
Dorado, 2 points. WRLG. Shout out kay Engineer Jumbo. Yambing missed. 54 seconds.
Same ball. 7 seconds to shoot. Take it down to single digit once again. 35.
Ayan na. 30 seconds, an 8 points lead na lang ang kalamangan ng WRLG. Manalili to Yambing for 3. Short, nakuha pa rin ni Yambing. Alarcon versus Orgong. to Manalili. To Yambing for 3. And there's a foul. That would be 3 free throws for Renwell Yambing.
Dorado, 3 coming for Yambing. 10.5 seconds remaining.
Ten seconds, 10.5 seconds remaining time. So 3 free throws for Renwell Yambing.
First throw by Renwell Yambing, the fighting pride of Southern Leyte from the municipality.
Shout out bossing to Osolidam Nawala Ermar watching from Santa Maria, Davao Occidental from Sander. Shout out ni Rico Carpis nga naa diha nagtan-aw ron panalay player ng Zone 2 Sugod. Shout out also from Laak Davao Di Oro from Razel Fernandez. Perfect 3 free throws for Renwell Yambing. 7 seconds. Orgong to Bigole. And that's the end of the first half with the official score 46-35 for Team W.
Yami Alacon, pass to Manalili. Yambe! 50 against 37. Wow. Second personal foul. Second on number 17, Ariel. Coming. Orgo from the heavy traffic, pinasa, tinira, Yemenyas, Ayali.
Tamak na.
41 against 50. 41-50. Okay, mandatory substitution. Pasong mengalami jumping. Brigoli. Pass to Lambini. Back to Brigoli. Brigoli fake. Pass. Tira sa tres ang goal. 46-50. Alarcon. Pamatay sunog. Ehano Alarcon. Against 46. Alarcon against good. Good hustle. Brigoli. Foul. Number 18. Alarcon. Second personal foul. Yami Alarcon. Brigoli. Tira sa tres. Wako. Enrique sa tres. Mamay Brigoli. Pass Orgo. Orgo Colambini. Lambini fakes. Lambini drives. 48-52. Apat na lang. Three points, Manuel Lambini. 55-48. Brigoli. Nasa Orgo Ground. Ayun sa tanin. Minutes, 21 seconds remaining for the third quarter. 55 against 48 in favor sa WRLG. Not good. Jumping once again. 58 against 64. 58-64. May Manalili. Pass to Alarcon. Alarcon. Pinanda wala. Rebound. Reference from Yellow. 61-64. Salazar jump shot. 63-64. Manalili. Manalili binasa Enrique sa gilid. $66-63. 1 minute and 25 seconds. Manibago. 1 minute and 20 seconds. Enriquez! Rebound by Yambing. Yambing pass to Alarcon. Fake pass. Drive. No good. Salazar now. Salazar drives. Kick out pass. Fires on students. Pacquiao. 65-66. 65-66. 1 point lead. WRLG. 40 segundos. Caballero. Jump shot. Manalili. Manalili, paso Enriquez. Pinasa sa gilid, Yambing. Alarcon. Rebound by Limit. 5 segundos. Back to the ball game. Final quarter of this season. Caballero. Fade away. Skipping on the line. Turnover. There's a foul. Osvaldo Rep. Wow. 2 points Enriquez. Nadyo, ibang Manalili. Manalili drive, short ang layup. Manalili. Change favor 70 against 69. Coming. A warning base of WRG improper base Siguro foul on Orzal third personal foul. Personal foul on limit. Second personal foul limit. Okay, technical throw is in for Alarcon. 2 coming for Manalili. First throw won't go. It's up for Sweeney. Lady Salazar. Pass to Limit. Limit drives. Turn around. Limit from the hip. Enriquez, 3 points. Guardian. Alarcon sa tres. Short. Salazar tuloy-tuloy. Change people. 77-76. 1 point lead. Khalifa. Number 3, Manalini. First on Manalini. 79-77, 2-point lead, WRLG, 4 minutes and 26 seconds. 4 minutes, 26 seconds. Drives, lays up Blanco. Enriquez. Fouled by Salazar. Number 6, Salazar. First. 2 coming for Enriquez. He's upcoming. 4 minutes, 13 seconds remaining of this ball game. 79-77. 2-point lead, WRLG. Against 77. Make it 81. 81-77. to 10. 5 to shoot. Alarcon. Fade away. No. Set clock violation. 2 minutes 33 seconds. Manalili. Pastoria. Back to Manalili. 10 seconds to shoot. Manalili. Tualia. Legs up for goal. Offensive rebound. Last 2 minutes. Last 2 minutes is brought to you by the Long Boys of Porto. Lambini Run! 88-79. 1 minute and 30 seconds. Paul Caballero. Manalili. Turnaround, Manalili behind the back. Limit pass, Salazar. No good. Limit. No good. Put back foul. All on the Lakers. First throw is in. 80 against 80. Enriquez home run. Caballero. 3 points. 83-92.